What's up, pups? I hope that you're doing absolutely amazing wherever you are. My name is St. Wolf, and welcome to your favorite channel in all of crypto. Remember our favorite furry friend, Teddy Bear? Well, he's taken a bit of a pump to the downside, but it's been with the rest of the market. Let's go check it out and see how our Teddy furry friend is doing. All right. What happened? What happened? Teddy. We were in this channel, if you remember, for quite a while. And then we've come down here, okay? Now, really quick, I'm going to play you a video from 4 weeks ago to show you what I said. All right. So that's why I would use this channel, though you still have to respect the fact that this is in play, okay? Which tells you a couple of things. One, we could stay in this channel, okay? We could trade in this channel, make a retest, and then make another attempt. But you have to be open to the possibility of this happening, and that's fine. There's a lot of volume. You got your point of control, a lot of tradings happening right around here, okay? See this? Okay. Massive wick here, and it was bought up, so a lot of buys around here. So you have to be ready for it to come down and here, and fine. What happened? Exactly as predicted. It has come down back into that channel we had that was here. If you remember this W here, in the video I had, here it is. And it was nice. We were saying up here, you know, we were pumping, BTC was moving up, it had broken the all-time high, all was good. But remember, like I said, you had to respect this, okay? And what happened? We came down, and we're heading down. Now, what happens next? What happens next? Let's take a look, okay? Right now, you've got a 18.5 million market cap, okay? We've got a broadening wedge spreading out, which just tells me it's following the market. There's a lot of uncertainty, but I'm going to give you a few different scenarios. Okay. One is I see this nasty pattern here. Okay. It's not quite a head and shoulders, but it kind of is. And when I look down here, I see a similar pattern, which is obviously a type of head and shoulders. Okay. Now, if the market stays weak and we continue downside, this may play out. Okay. Now, I've had this down here for a while. Did I have this down here before? No, I didn't have it. Okay. But this is an area where price could move to very easily. And I'm going to show you why that might be, okay? See this big green stick? It's not the strongest support for such a big broadening wedge, okay? You got a massive amount of price action happening on this, okay? It's a type of vector candle, really. And usually I want to see at least half of these fill. Okay, so I put this liquidity box down here for a while, which if we go bearish, this is where it's coming to. And if I take a really fast measure, I mean, this is rough, guys, okay? Because I'm not trading this to the T. If you want a more detailed analysis, I can do it. But if I just draw this very quickly, very rough, you can see where it breaks out and look where the target is for that head and shoulders, okay? Right into the middle of that box. I mean, you just can't write this stuff, okay? I mean, it's just, yeah, TA, you know, who's to say it works, right? But there you go, playing out absolutely perfectly, okay? So if this happens, and that's already a target anyway, so now I have multiple confluence for that. Now, if BTC markets break out this week and we trend higher, we're gonna break back up into here and head toward this to make a new all-time high, which is gonna happen at some point anyway. But is it gonna happen next week or not? If it doesn't happen next week, well, as you see, we got a lot of weakness. The trend, though, is weakening to the downside, okay? We are oversold. There's no doubt about that, but there is room to go, okay? We can't kid ourselves about that. If the market remains weak, this is going to follow down with everything else, which is fine. We're going to buy here. We're going to buy here as well, okay? I'm DCAing into this even more, and I have a pretty big bag of bear. Very, very, very confident about bear, and absolutely one of my favorite projects. So, not financial advice at all, but these could be points where you could start to DCA more in, you know, You've got a point here, definitely here. If we do come all the way down, we'll probably do some consolidation here. But once again, the market turns and rips. We're going up to the upside very quickly, okay? Let's go back. Guys, hey, do me a favor. Hey there, while you're down there. If you want to pump this bag, give a like, do a comment down below, and subscribe if you really want to. All right, let's go back to it. All right, now, what are some more upside targets here? Okay, well, if I were to just run a fib just for the fun of it to here, you've got your next point is 0.0707143. But it's hard to really pin that as a target right now until we know where this is going. Okay. And since we've broken this channel that we were in before, okay, wherever that was, we had that channel going. There's a good chance we're going to break and go into here. Now, if we get some bullish sentiment come into the market tomorrow, Monday, you're at least going to get a pretty strong bounce. Okay. And let me give you a target for that. Okay. I would say you're probably going to come in to here. Okay. 0.0702640 in this range. Okay. I'll make a little area for you. Okay. You're probably going to see quite a bit of resistance right about here. Okay. We get a bounce into here and come down. Okay. If we go bullish, we're going up. All right. Now let's take a look really quick at how many holders we got. Let's just see what's going on. I know this has increased quite a bit. On the last video, do we look at the, I know we did the scan. Aha, okay, beautiful. We had 10,635 holders. That was 4 weeks ago, okay? Let's see where we're at. Is this loaded yet? 14,291. So we're up almost 43% increase in holders, okay? And to give you an idea, we're at okay, we're at, right now, let's say we're around 20 million market cap, okay? I think that this was around a 30 million market cap, okay? Maybe it was a little more. I think one of the big ones on Solana right now is at 3 billion. I'm telling you right now, I see this at 30 billion market cap. That's 100. I mean, from here, we're at 150 X, okay? From here, okay? So you better believe with 150X potential, I'm going to be packing bags for this. So you know what to do. If you have any questions, put them down below. If you want a more detailed analysis, I can do some more. But in the meantime, stay alert. We don't know we're going to see which way the market breaks. And you should be ready either way. All right, later.